First at 5, Barrington police tell us an argument led to a violent crime they rarely see in the East Bay community.
And it was first breaking last night at 6. Police say one man shot another on Maple Avenue. Barrington police held a news conference on the shooting this afternoon following the suspect's arraignment. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Pliner has the new details tonight, live from the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
Mike and Shannon, police say the suspect admitted his involvement within about 4 hours of the shooting. As you say, a shooting in one of the state's most quiet communities.
Brazen gunshot attack.
That's how the Attorney General's office described yesterday's Barrington shooting at dusk. 30-year-old Robert Fonseca of East Providence in court today on assault with intent to murder and other charges. The shooting happened around 5:30 at Maple Avenue and Kirby Street.
The victim came out of his home and confronted this defendant, and this defendant came out of his car, which was parked at that corner, and fired at least three times. We found 3 shell casings at the scene.
The victim, an unidentified 34-year-old man, was hit at least once in the torso. He's expected to recover.
We have an indication that it was regarding some type of drug transaction.
Barrington police did not go that far, only describing a petty argument before the shots rang out. They don't believe Fonseca and the victim had ever met. Police say the victim was uncooperative on scene, refusing to give his name or discuss the shooting. Fonseca was ordered held on $50,000 bail with surety. Prosecutors say he has prior marijuana and driving while suspended charges. Eyewitness News went to a home believed to be that of the victim. Our knocks went unanswered. Multiple police departments did work together on this case. Now today, police referred to 2 other persons of interest, but would not speak on whether any charges are coming for any other individuals beyond what we saw today. New at 6 o'clock. How long has it been exactly since the last shooting in Barrington? We'll see you next hour. For now, live with the Mobile Newsroom, Jared Pliner, Eyewitness News.
A shooting investigation is underway in a town that hasn't seen a shooting in a very long time. It happened last night, and today we learned it may have stemmed from a drug deal. Eyewitness News reporter Jared Pliner is live from District Court in Providence with more details on just how long it's been since Barrington's last shooting. Jared?
Yeah, Mike, police say 3 shell casings found outside the victim's house today. He was shot at least once in the torso. He is now in stable condition, but gun violence in an unlikely place. Robert Fonseca of East Providence charged with assault with intent to murder, his most serious offense for a shooting in very quiet Barrington last night, Maple Avenue and Kirby Street. Words exchanged, a 34-year-old man shot.
To be honest, it was a petty argument. It's more of an insult.
Prosecutors went further.
We have an indication that it was regarding some type of drug transaction.
To our knowledge, these 2 individuals have never met before.
Multiple police departments helped interview 2 persons of interest and find Fonseca within a few hours.
Provided information that he was connected to this shooting at 10:15.
It can't be ignored that Barrington is not a place intimately familiar with gun violence.
The captain's been around 31 years, since '86, and he can't recall any shootings where somebody's been attacked in this manner.
To underscore that final phrase, attacked in this manner, there was, of course, an infamous triple homicide of a family back in 1991 where an arrow was used. Now, as for the present case, 2 persons of interest mentioned today. Police said far too early to comment on whether more charges could be coming in this investigation. Live outside District Court with the Mobile Newsroom tonight, Jared Pliner, Eyewitness News.